Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a real simple YouTube banner. So you want to go to pixlr.com/editor, and what you want to do is download a YouTube banner template, then download a picture of your choice, whatever, anime, space, cooking, whatever type of background, but it has to be in 2560 by 1440. And then once you do that, you go to open image, you open up the template. Then what you want to do next is open image as layer, open up the image of your choice that you downloaded, and then you go to toggle layer settings so you be able to see the template and line things up. There we go. And if you're like me, and as you see by my YouTube banner, that was all made with this application, website. You don't even have to download anything but the picture once you finish and the things I told you download. So you go to open image as layer again, you open up your YouTube logo, you go to edit, free transform. You gotta keep it steady because as you can see it's starting to misshape a little bit. You want to keep the proportions right. Save. What's it called? Yeah, go to the move tool, move it, straighten it up, and boom, there go one part. And look, and the black area is what shows up on your phone /tablet, /phone and desktop. And then this area is where the tablet actually shows up. Here is the maximum desktop size, and then the whole picture as a whole, everything shows up on the TV like that. And what you also want to do next is, after you download the PNG logos for the website / social medias that you use, you open them, see, boom, right there, Instagram, a nice cool Instagram PNG. You also want to go back to edit, just like you did with your logo. Shrink it down to a good size. No, I messed up. I was supposed to grab whatever the hell that was. Okay, redo, free transform, shrink it down, boom, save, boom, move it to the corner, boom, and then you go open up the other social media PNG that you downloaded, boom, which is Twitter for me, but you could do whichever one you want. Go back to free transform, boom, save, boom, and then you go to the text tool. You have multiple fonts to choose from. But I usually go with Oswald because to me it looks the best. And then I go bold, and then that's a good size. And then the color I go for is usually something that matches my channel type color, which is, well, the yellow / gold, these blues right here, and purple. You click OK, type in your name. Hold on, I also like to have caps lock on, so I could have it like this. Wait, messed up again. God dang it. Cosmic King. Again, I messed up. Boom. And you just go back to the moving tool, line it up. Boom. Then you do the same for your Twitter handle /@. Choose the same things again. Oswald. The color. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure y'all follow me on these. Then you do the same thing you did with the Instagram. Move it over here. And then you go back to the next step, which was supposed to be before this, but I messed up. Which is obviously what you want to have in your YouTube banner is your YouTube logo. I mean, YouTube channel name. So I usually go with the font size 100, bold, Oswald of course, color that matches up with your channel. Boom. Type in your channel name. Boom. Go to the move tool. Make it look as straight as possible. And you're about done. As y'all could see, it looks pretty good. Come on. I hate when it does this. And boom. That's how it looks. Nice and crispy. Y'all could do other things with it. Like, as y'all could see, there's tools over here, but I'm not that type of technical person. I like it nice and simple. So when you finish, you hit save. You want to save it as a PNG so you get the full quality, full goodness, full everything. Hit OK. Save it to the desktop or whatever folder you want. Boom, boom. Where is it? Right here. Wait for it to load. And boom, there you go. Hope this video was slightly helpful to you guys that don't know how to make a YouTube banner. Now you have a video that helps you out.